In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online during a quarantine using a website like Fiverr. So how to make money online using a website like Fiverr during a quarantine. And if you stay right through to the end, I'm going to show you a way to get people to come to you so that you're not always chasing people to offer your service. So the purpose of this video really is to help you so that your gig is more like, or gig or your job that you post on Fiverr and the services that you offer are more likely to be found rather than you posting and no one finding you. So what's the first step? So the first step really is to have a look at what is being offered. And the first place that you can have a look as to what is being offered is up here in the search box. So here is, say for example, you wanted to offer a service like article writing for bloggers or for someone who needed articles written for their website. And so we've put in article writing here, and you can see that these are all the services that are being offered with regards to article writing. So article writing, SEO optimized article writing, English. And all these terms are related, and you can use these terms so that you are more likely to be found. So the first place is the search box. Then have a look at the existing gigs. These are the existing gigs or jobs that are being offered. I've just put in that search term article writing, and 21,747 services are available. I think if you have a look at some of the other, if you put SEO article writing, there's 20,933. Say you were to article writing in SEO optimized article writing. Let's see. So there are only 10,416 services available. So you might be better off going for something like SEO optimized article writing. That's going to be less competitive to rank for. So we've had a look at the search box. We've had a look at the services that are available. We've have a look at all the existing gigs, and let's go to an existing gig. You can see the factors that are going to affect the ranking are the title, the description, the about this gig section, and the tags. So there are some related tags down here, and so this is the top gig, and so title, description, and tags. And so if we had a look at the search SEO optimized article writing, let's see whether we can come up with something that is going to increase the likelihood. So if you have a look at some of these tags here, let's copy and let's get rid of that. And let's put in some of these tags. So we took out a sheet and we want to come up with something. So if we have a look at the top search, he's written, I will do SEO optimized, creative and engaging article writing. So you can see he's already added a fair few words. So don't just copy what he's written, but let's try and model it. So I will do SEO friendly and let's put SEO friendly English article writing, so something like that. And then when so I've included some of the terms that are included in my tags, and then when you write your description, make sure that you put in some of the words that are included in your tags as well. So you could write something like, I will write SEO friendly English articles for, say, your website. I am proficient. In search engine optimization, article writing, something like that. So just so that you've put some of these key terms in the description. So other things, so title, tags, descriptions, the thumbnail. So you can see that there's also this this red. This is eye-catching. So he's obviously put that in there for a particular reason. It's eye-catching. People are more likely to click on his thumbnail if he puts something that's eye-catching. So thumbnails, titles, tags, descriptions. Other factors that are going to affect rankings are average response time. So his average response time is an hour. There are things also, I'm logged in as a seller, but as a buyer, I'm logged in as a buyer. If you're logged in as a seller and you put in a gig, there are buyer's requests. You're allowed 10 buyer's requests a day, and so you can actually pitch your services to people who might be interested. Now, there's this little thing up here, and this will also, and I'll actually show you how to increase your, if I can find a gig that's got these are almost like social signals. He's obviously been liked in other social networks. I will show you as to how you can increase that. Other factors that are going to affect your rankings are delivering gigs on time, avoiding cancelling orders, keeping orders in the queue. So if you can have orders in the queue like this will also make Fiverr aware of your gig, and more activity on your gig is going to generally increase your rankings. So as I said, I'd show you a way to increase your social signals on your gig. So if you come to Facebook and you look for favorite exchanges, Fiverr gig favorite exchanges, you join these groups. You can also see there's 920 posts in there, and you can join these groups. You can exchange gigs, you can exchange reviews, and that will increase your rankings as well. Now, as I promised you, I said I would show you a way to get people to come and check out your gig. So if you come to Instagram and say you were looking for bloggers because you're an article writer and you wanted to offer your services to bloggers. So there's 10 million bloggers on Instagram, and you can say come to Food Weeds, and you can follow someone like this who's got a profile on Instagram. Now, she's posted a link, and you can post your Fiverr link in your profile on Instagram, like she has posted her link here on her profile, so that when you follow a blogger and they likewise follow you, they can see your profile, and then they can click on the link like she has in her profile, but and come and check out your Fiverr gig. So you could take this link here. So you can take this link, and you can also put the terms that you're trying to rank for in your URL, like this. Write a French SEO optimized article. You can put some of the terms that you want to rank for in your URL, but you can paste this link into your Instagram profile, and that will increase the likelihood of you being found. So if you like that, make sure that you smash the like button, the subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next video.